Hey, if your kids struggle with simple tasks like completing their homework on time, piano practice, or just doing chores around the house, it may be time to get them the BossKids Character Kit. Each month, a new fun design will be delivered directly to your inbox. Some things never change. For example, we always have chore charts, allowance optional, a weekly planner where they can track their subjects, whether they're homeschooled or they go to a public or Christian school, they can track their homework. They can also track habits like water intake, exercise, and nutrition. And then for those of you who do pay your kids an allowance, we also have an allowance tracker so they can see exactly how much they're earning each day and each week. One of our newest features is the monthly reading log. Now you can use this to let your kids earn extra allowance, extra screen time, or even fun days out with friends. And then perhaps the most important page of the BossKids Character Kit would be the sermon notebook. This includes 2 pages. The first page where they can take notes on the actual sermon, write down their favorite song, who the preacher was, etc. And then page 2 is a fun bingo page. Now, bingo does come in 3 levels. You can pick from beginner, which is a picture bingo, intermediate, which has several words that repeat themselves, and then advanced, which has 25 unique words for your child to pick out during the sermon. And then each month we have what's called a bonus pack, which is just a fancy way of saying fun. So we have a ton of coloring sheets this month, puzzles like word searches and coordinates, as well as some fun games where they get to build their own snowmen as well as roll their own snowmen. And then I'm excited because it is a brand new year. So we have a time capsule included for you that you can print out or you can fill out digitally and save somewhere like on Facebook or Instagram to look at next year. And then we also have a fun goal setting sheet for your kids. If you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, you can order through the link in the comment or description section. And if you're on Instagram, you can order through the link in my bio. And of course, if you want to bypass all of that, you're welcome to message me directly at Helping Hearts Homeschool, or you can go to helpingheartshomeschool.com, click on the menu, scroll down to the homeschool section, and the BossKids Character Kit is linked right there for you. If you don't have a need for this, but you would like to share it with a friend or just give us a like and a comment to support a small business, we absolutely appreciate it.